So yeah, on our way out of the dinghy, we spotted a water fill tap, which is always really, really good because we've been struggling to find any water fill taps in the last couple of countries actually. But look.
So cool.
Nice.
Really nice, ice cold
Fresh
water.
Slovakian tap water at its best. Come on then. It's pretty cold, but it's gotta be done. Ah, a bit rocky too. Whew. Come on, love.
Is it nice?
Oh, it's refreshing. Ooh, it's cold. Your turn.
We've headed off early in the morning after our stopover late last night. We managed to find a little lay-by. It was getting late, couldn't find anywhere to stop. Sarah spotted a little ruined house, so we pulled over and it worked out alright in the end.
Hidden away literally in the bushes last night. There was 2 meters between us and the main road, and in between that 2 meters was really thick bushes, so we literally hid in the bushes, but it was totally fine.
But we were woken this morning by a car pull up and a man get out with a chainsaw.
Basically, we just woken up at like 6:30, and I just said, oh, someone's just pulled up. Nick looked out the curtain, out the front curtain, and said he's got a chainsaw, and I was like, shut up. You know, because obviously it's a bit in the middle of nowhere. A bit dark last night, so it was a little bit kind of like, oh, this place be alright. And then Nick said, no, he's got a chainsaw. We did actually have a chainsaw. Luckily, he wasn't coming towards us, he was crossing the road, going to get on with his day, so it was alright. But yes, we are heading to the low TATRAS today. Hopefully find a nice hike. We haven't had
place for breakfast.
Yes, because we haven't had breakfast yet.
From the dinghy where we stayed by the lake, we've driven with the Low Tatra Mountain National Park on our right and another one on the left, and it's been absolutely stunning.
Yeah, it's been really nice, isn't it? So yeah, we're looking forward to doing a hike today. Kayaking yesterday, hike today. Let's go and check out these Low Tatra mountains. Beans on toast. Haven't actually had beans on toast yet. It's the first beans on toast of the trip. So all you Brits out there who are not leaving to go travelling because you're too scared that you won't be able to find beans, do not fear. Beans are here! In Slovakia. Beans and another British favourite, Worcester sauce. Yeah, we got these. I think it was in Czech as well. I think you can get beans in Czech as well. But yes, so we're having beans on toast. Fabulous. I've just put some onions and garlic, a load of Worcester sauce, a load of pepper. Smells well nice.
Breakfast of champions. Lovely. They always look so nice, Sarah's little meals as well. We're not going to make a video about this one because
it's beans on toast. Got me trusty little dog pulling me up the mountain and me trusty stick.
not so trusty husband taking on these wild goose chases.
Go, pulling his old mother up the hill.
We've just spotted a rather large shit with berries in it. There's no.
We reckon it's bear poo. Because that's the berries they eat. And it's quite a big poo.
So we made it up to the top of this little peak. We didn't quite make it to Chopok or Gambier, I think it is, which are the highest peak. It's another 2.5 hour hike to there, and we left it a bit late. It's about 3:30, 4 o'clock now, so wouldn't have enough time to get there and back down. But yeah, we made it here, and it's stunning views all around. You can see all the way south. Unfortunately, you can't quite see past the mountains to the high TATRAS, but you've got 360-degree views all around. Definitely worth a hard climb up. It was a 2-hour climb up, we did it an 1.5 hours.
We're quite proud of ourselves. We're still quite quick. It's a little bit hazy over that way, but it's still not bad. And the dogs have had a really good time.
It's a shame we didn't come a bit earlier up here, because we've done the hard hike up. We climbed up about 600-700 meters, so you've got the height now, and from here there's loads of little walks you can do, including the peaks over there.
Yeah, and the
which
peak
are a lot
over there,
easier.
well, the peak over there is just kind of across the range rather than more uphill. But it's, you know, it's over 2 hours, and then it's probably another 2 hours from there to get back to the van at least. So that would take us sort of towards 8 o'clock. It'll be completely pitch dark. You don't want to get stuck in this mountain range with the bears and whatever else.
But
wildlife.
It's so peaceful up here. You've got beautiful views. But yeah, I think they should be called something rather than the low TATRAS. Give them a name of their own rather than, just the low TATRAS. The high TATRAS and then, yeah, the low ones.
It's like, you know, when you call your son the same name as you. Why do people do that? Sorry if you've done that, but it's a bit funny, isn't it?
Think of something else.
I'm sure as how glad that my mother didn't call me Ingrid, that's for sure. Let's go. Bye, boys. Come on.
Come on, Charlie.
Oh no. Got to the top.
Oh.
And he's like, I don't have to walk all the way back down, do I?
What mummy's doing, I don't know.
Washing my boots. I could actually get in that little pool there and lie down, but I think it might be a tad bit cold. The old faithful t-shirt.
Time to go. Look at that.
That's how thin and...
That was so easy. Just ripped it in half.
That's how ready for the bin it was. He has to do that. He has to rip them up, because otherwise he'll end up keeping them.
So many little holes in it, so many little holes, but so thin, look at that.
That t-shirt has definitely been overworn.
Right, this one as well, ready?
All of your clothes! One tired little doggy after the hike. Absolutely woofed out, exhausted. And another one. And another one. Not so tired, but pretty exhausted, eh, little one?
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming, because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.